Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel. And for those who are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's video I want to show you my favorite mascara at the moment. And if you are interested to know, then keep on watching. So yeah guys, I'm getting ready for the day and I decided to just come here, open my camera and show you guys the mascara that I have been using since forever. Yeah, I thought I'm gonna share it to you guys because it's really cheap. It's drugstore mascara, and also very affordable, I'd say, well, compared to the mascaras that I have been using in the past. So the mascara that I want to show you guys is this. So it's the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof Mascara. So that's the one. So yeah, so this is the mascara that I want to use today as well guys, and I want to show it to you. So as you can see, I've got makeup on now, put foundation, as usual, the old things, eyebrows, contour, lipstick, as you can see. And yeah, so I didn't put any eyeliner on guys because I want to show you this, just solely the mascara. So I've already curled it. So I used the eyelash curler, oh sorry. So as you can see, I barely have anything guys, no lashes at all. So I only have a few because for the last, I don't know, the last years I've been hooked into getting eyelash extensions because they're beautiful, right? But at the same time I think it just damages your lashes as well. So I've decided to get a rest, my eyelashes, to relax for a bit and just use the mascara. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to apply it now, so you'll see what it looks like. So I don't know, let's see. So here's the result guys. Oh, focus camera, focus. So that's what it looks like now. See, as you can see guys, it definitely gives my lashes volume, and it's blackest black guys, so it's really jet black. So yeah, as you can see, it gives my lashes volume, and also it gives slightly, it slightly lengthen it as well. And also I'll just have a look on my phone because I got it from Priceline guys. Yeah, so I got it from Priceline, and guess what guys, this is only $5. I'm not sure how much it is in the Philippines, but for sure it is cheaper than other brands. So I'm just gonna show you something here that I've used before as well. Oh, it's real old now, but I got this one from Mecca Maxima here in Australia, and I paid 60 Australian dollars for them. So compared to this Essence mascara guys, price wise, it is great. Like seriously, I can use it every day, and I still have a lot left. See, I'm gonna show you what the wand looks like. So it's really thick, so it, you know, hugs all your lashes. So that's the one there. And yeah, so I seriously can't fault this mascara, guys. I think it's, for the value, it is, you know, ridiculously amazing. And also, you know, it's claiming that it's waterproof, which I can prove yes, because it's not really smudging. So my eyes are really teary because I've got dry eyes, and it's not like, you know, I don't look like a panda by the end of the day. So that's one thing that I really like about this one as well. And also it stays all day long. Like you don't need to retouch or anything. You know, you put it in the morning, when I come home from work, that night it's still there. Although I'd say there's one thing that maybe a con, but I think most of, you know, mascaras do that as well. It's very hard to get off. Like you really need to rub it, you know, rub it off with the I don't know, makeup remover, or at the moment I'm using the Garnier Micellar water. And yeah, but even though, you know, you need to, you know, really, you know, how do you call, what's the term for that, rub it really hard, still it doesn't make your skin like dark. So, you know, normally some mascaras do that, like, you know, you look like a panda bear. So this doesn't do that, which is really good. And yeah, so I think I can't say enough compliment about this mascara, guys. So yeah, guys, I think that's all I can say about this mascara. As mentioned, I don't think I can fault this at all. I think it for the price, it is great. You know, if you want a mascara that gives you that volume and a bit of that length, and also, you know, this is very easy to work with as well. It is sort of buildable. Yeah, so I know, guys, that, you know, well, this mascara might work on me, but it might not work on you. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But, you know, I just gave you my personal opinion. Just letting you know that, you know, I love this mascara. And yeah, I think you should, you know, give this a try, guys. For the price point, it's great, and I think it's affordable. Yeah, so I think that's about it, guys, for today's video. I'm so thankful for your time, you know, watching my videos. And also, you know, I hope that you enjoyed it. This is the first time I've done review in my channel, and you know, I'm a bit hesitant to do it because I'm not really good at describing things and, you know, all that jazz. But, you know, I tried, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. There's definitely more reviews coming. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a great day. And yeah, please like this video, guys, and hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. I would love you all on board. And yeah, guys, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.